An interest-included installment note features constant periodic payments, which produce a schedule of payments. To structure this with a lender, you would use RPI Form 420. If seller financing under an all-inclusive trust deed is involved, you would use RPI Form 421. The payment schedule under either type of interest-included installment note contains diametrically varying amounts of principal and interest from payment to payment. The portion of the mortgage payment attributed to principal reduction increases and the interest paid decreases with each payment made on the mortgage. Each payment is applied first to the interest accrued on the remaining principal balance during the period between payments, typically monthly. The remainder of the payment is applied to reduce the principal balance of the debt. At the end of the term, the mortgage is paid in full. Interest-included installment notes may either be fully amortized through constant periodic payments, meaning the mortgage is fully paid at the end of the term, as illustrated, or be partially amortized, which includes a final balloon payment on the due date after a period of installment payments. Let's take a moment to clarify some of the terms I've just used. An amortized loan is a debt that is to be repaid, interest and principal, by a series of regular payments that are equal or nearly equal without any special final payment prior to maturity, called a balloon payment. Now, alternative to interest-included installment notes, there are interest-extra installment notes. The difference here, of course, is whether the interest is included or whether it's extra. For this, you would use RPI Form 422. Interest-extra installment notes call for a constant periodic payment of principal on the debt until the principal amount is fully paid, or a due date calls for a final balloon payment. The amount attributed to principal doesn't change. This type of note is further distinguished for how the payment of interest functions. Here, the interest payment decreases with each payment of principal. Why? Well, the interest is paid on the remaining balance of the mortgage, which is decreasing from payment to payment. In this way, the amount of each mortgage payment is not consistent from payment to payment. It also decreases.